Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick bronze pack opening here, see if I can pull something again. Haven't done bronze packs in a couple days. Here we go, first pack, Big Z. See what we can get. Big Z gives us a rare bronze right away. I'll be happy. Probably going to open up 3 packs. There we go, that guy's decent. Send him to the trade pile. And this injury card. The rest can go to my collection. Oh, we'll quick sell the rest, I guess. Okay, next bronze pack. Sedin, I don't like opening Sedins, but I'll do it. And no rare bronze again. I can maybe sell him. Not gonna attempt to sell that. Shit. This is a bad pack. Gotta try and sell this logo. That was a bad pack, guys. We're only gonna do one more pack, I guess. Haven't got a rare bronze in a while. JT. Sometimes JT gives huge cards. Let's see if we can get one from him here. Feeling a rare bronze. Alright, that card's not bad. And that card's not bad. Oh, this card's not bad either. There we go. Maybe we'll go one more pack. This time we're gonna wait for price. Oh, that's not price. Looks like it could be a long wait. Holy shit. Could we just get there yet? Last one. 2400 pack opening here. And let's see if we can pull a rare bronze. Alright, we got a couple durations. And that guy. Had him before. He'll sell. Either of those guys are worth it. Couple of durations. I can get 600 for both of these. And try to sell him. And the rest I'll quick sell. Alright, thanks for watching. Follow at LawsonCody22 and at Will_English19 for hut giveaways and pink slips. Thanks for watching and have a good day.